Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty, where I will be unboxing door number 16 of my gifted LookFantastic advent calendar. So let's just jump right in and have a look at what's behind door number 16. Aha! This is the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. How a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cream and camelina salvia oils to nourish, support and preserve skin vitality. Also includes essential oils of lavender and chamomile to help improve sleep quality, and you are to massage directly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. Just gonna try a little bit of this on the back of my hand because my hands are quite dry. Oh my goodness, that smells lush. So it's a cream. Oh wow, that's gone a long way. It smells amazing and it feels very, very nourishing and lightweight on the skin. Oh, I can already feel like whenever I smell lavender, I get that automatic reaction that I'm tired. I think it's an association thing, but it really has made my hands feel very soft. I use a lot of This Works products. I have used their This Works sleep spray before, so I'm used to the brand essentially. I've never heard of like a body cocoon moisturizer before, but I can understand the premise of it because it makes a lot of sense. If you had to put this on your skin before you go to bed, you're kind of winding down, you're doing your nightly routine. And this smells lush, like absolutely fantastic. Do you use This Works products? More specifically, do you use the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon? I love the way that this smells and I'm interested to know if anyone else feels like this is gonna send them off to sleep very, very quickly. Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!